Action.
Hey guys, it's me, Nate, and I'm gonna do a video. What's inside a wasp nest? My dad used a giant stick and hit the wasp nest down. It was hard, and as you can see,
It took a long time, didn't it?
zoom up on the other side of the stick. As you can see, there's the other side of the stick. It broke off.
Where is the other side of the stick?
Right there.
All right.
And we're gonna dissect it, and I'm just gonna.
Are we sure there's no
I'm pretty
wasps
sure.
in there?
I'm just gonna peel off.
Is there any dead wasps in there?
I'm pretty sure. Bunch of little pieces of paper.
That's just the outer shell, right? Is there the cells in there?
Yeah, their cells are in there. As you can see. Don't stop it until I'm done.
I'm not.
As you can see, all of the pieces of the shelling are off.
So what do? They leave their nests every year, or?
I think, yeah. I'm just gonna tape.
Is there any dead wasps? No.
Oh my.
There is?
That wasn't a wasp.
Where?
This is not a wasp.
What is that? Larva?
I don't even know what that is.
Looks like a larva. Looks like an old larva.
There's a little one that's covered though.
Where?
Right there. There's a little one that's covered.
What's in
They're
there?
everywhere. These little things are everywhere. They look burnt and stuff. But anyway, let's just tape this thing up. They stuck it pretty good. It's together. It's like glue. It's very strong. Oh,
They are strong, aren't they?
strong together.
Are there any dead wasps in there?
I don't even know.
I don't think so.
They abandoned it, yeah. Oh my god, there is one! Pupa!
Is it alive?
It's dead.
What was it, a wasp?
Yeah, it was a hornet. It looks like a bald-faced hornet.
No way. Let me see. Let's have a look at it. Get in
Look
your
at
hand.
that thing.
Let me
Pupa.
see.
That's a pupa.
That is a bald-faced hornet. Those
Yes.
things, pupa meaning what? Like it was not born yet, right?
It wasn't born big enough yet.
Ah.
So, the thing, they built it pretty good, and to get the wasp out good enough, this is what I do. I just take it all. And there's another bald-faced hornet. Straight out of the cell.
Wow.
Huh.
Are you breaking them in half, or what's going on there?
Yeah, I did. Ah,
Another
and
one?
there's one.
Be gentle.
Just
You
take
want to
it.
get the specimen in one piece.
There it is. That's
Wow.
more like a younger pupa.
So why did that one die, do you think?
They abandoned the nest without their young.
They,
Those
they
traitors.
leave the young behind, eh?
Yeah. There's also another cell with the specimen. It's so dead that its head just comes right off.
Wow. So
So
do you think that's from a couple
fragile.
years ago or last year?
I don't even know, really. That's its thorax. It's in the cell. It's like so much dissection with this thing. So much in there. And the specimen just came out. What the hell?
All right, the video
Oh, it stinks.
stinks like what?
Crap. Do not cut it yet.
Well, it's almost 5 minutes. We got to cut it soon.
So, it doesn't look like I see any more specimens, so yeah, that was inside of a wasp nest. Like and subscribe. And
Make sure you
don't
smash the like button, right?
yeah, and don't forget to leave me a comment so you can watch more videos.
That's right.
Bye.
Love you.